Life is too short and time is too precious to continuously allow people to treat you like you're a convenience store. You're always there for them. It doesn't matter the need. They want something, you get it for them. They want something done, you do it for them. They call you and you run. And you're just there like a convenience until you want those favors returned, and then they are nowhere in sight. Stop operating like a convenience store. How about you start operating like those top shelf liquor? When you go in the bar and you see them liquor up on top, Hennessy, Moet, and all of them liquor there, where it's gonna take, gonna take extra out of your pocket to get to those. Not those little low end liquor where everybody can come in and get a flask, for a little and nothing. Start operating like top shelf liquor, where people are going to have to work to get to you, work to have you in their corner, work to have you as a part of their circle. You understand me? Where energy and time will have to be put in just to access you. Stop being so readily available for people who are not there for you. Stop breaking your back for people who are willing to do nothing for you. Yes, make them say you're hype. Make them say whatever it is. You know who you are. And if you do not put a value on yourself, then people are going to put a price tag on you. People are going to rate you according, to what they think you are worth if you don't set standards and if you don't display your value. You understand me? Display your value to them so that, people can't just run in and say and do and please and, and have you do things for them while they're not available for you. It's fine. Just make sure you're not lowering your standards for nobody, because a lot of people that some of you all are lowering your standards for, let me tell you, best believe it, some of them people that have not named standards. You understand me? If they can't get up to your level, then those are not your people, my friend. As them say, let them people have gone. They are not your people. Those are dead weight and they will lower you down. And as you elevate, you require some separation. Let those people go. You don't want no convenience in your life. Start operating like top shelf liquor and stop going like your convenience store.